Good morning. I'm Warren Bingham, and sitting here around 6 o'clock the morning after the CEO Sleepout 2014. It's been a somewhat sleepless night. It wasn't too cold, but I must admit it was rather noisy, competing with all the snoring that was going on, the occasional train that was passing by, and just the noise of being outdoors. You don't tend to hear it when you're inside the walls of a house and behind glass windows and so forth. The CEO Sleepout this year has done a fantastic job. Again, we've raised, I think, somewhere close to $6 million, and it's still climbing. I think in the last 24 hours it's probably gone up close to $1 million in itself, which is a fantastic achievement to help those who have unfortunately fallen into the plight of and the spiral of homelessness. We heard some pretty incredible stories. Some very brave people came to share their experiences of homelessness with us last night, and a couple of key themes that really came out to play in that. One is that people are only a couple of paychecks away from homelessness. It doesn't take much for someone to lose when they lose their job, or a significant event and potentially an adverse significant event occurs in their life, that it really knocks the balance out of play. And hearing the stories of what happens when two people, when that occurs, is quite real, and it could affect each and every one of us in society. And I think that's a real challenge for us in the corporate community to get together and to do something about fixing and helping that problem. We may never resolve the issue of homelessness in Australia. There's over 105,000 people we know who are homeless, and there are plenty more who perhaps we haven't even seen or been able to register as homeless for a whole variety of reasons. But we can certainly have a positive impact by getting together, collaborating, learning, hearing about what the issues are, and having our organisations and our staff and our employees contribute their time, their intellect, their experience and their know-how to help those with it who are in the system and sometimes just need a bit of a helping hand. So to those who have attended here, congratulations to each and every one of the CEOs for their great success and contribution to a fantastic cause. And more importantly, to those who've supported me, both spiritually, morally, and financially. This is my fourth CEO Sleepout. I'm very proud to be part of this movement, and very proud to and very happy to represent you in your support to the very people who need it. Next year, 2015, 18th of June, I think is the date, we'll be celebrating the 10th anniversary of the CEO Sleepout movement. We have over 100,000 reasons as to why we should be here, and we have a target of $10 million that we're setting to chase. So here's looking forward to another year of fundraising, awareness, and corporate cooperation and engagement to try and help those who are suffering, and ultimately to see if we can reduce this problem from growing and from getting worse. Thanks very much.